I'm just going to jump right into this recipe, and at the end of this video, I'll tell you where to get your low sodium cheese. Fake Cheez-Its. Bowl has got 1 tablespoon of room temperature unsalted butter, finely grated 56 grams or 2 ounces, and I used the little part of my grater. Put that in. All together in the same bowl. Quarter cup all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons of ice water. The yellow in cheddar cheese comes from annotto. It's the last ingredient on your cheese. I ordered this from Amazon so that I could make some of my cheddar stuff orange. Just putting a little in. A little. Then stir it a little bit with my rubber spatula until it just gets a little teeny bit mixed up. Then my fingers are going to do the mixing here. Annotto has no nutritional value. It comes from a seed on a tree, and it's used as a food coloring. I'm going to knead this for a couple minutes until it picks up all the cheese and the flour. Sometimes I need to add just a little bit more water, but not much at a time, just a drop or two until it just can make that ball. Knead it around a little bit. If it won't pick up all the flour and the cheese that's in the bowl, it might need just a tiny bit more water. Not a teaspoon, maybe a 1/4. Mix this together, and it's going to hold it a little bit better now. But the annotto will make it kind of orange. When you first put it in, it's red. And then you work with it, or when you get it hot, if you're making a sauce, then you get that orange look. This goes in my refrigerator, in a bag, about an hour. Then, for about an hour, I'll take it out and roll it thin between 2 pieces of parchment paper. I like to get it about 1/8 of an inch. Sometimes it comes out a little bit thicker than that. It's looking orange. It's getting more orange as I work with it. Easy to do. We just can't eat Cheez-Its from our store. So we just have to make fake ones. The next time I see you, this dough is going to be rolled thin. I've got my ruler ready to make the little squares. And I got my little dowel peg ready to put the hole in them. See you in a little while. If you subscribe to my channel, there'll be a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. My dough has been in the refrigerator, and I forgot to tell you this. Sometimes I get busy and forget about it, and it gets so hard I can't roll it. So I just have to sit it on the cabinet and let it get a little softer. So I roll this out, and I took my ruler and scored it all the way. Now, we're going this way with it, and all the extra little pieces sit over to the side. We'll roll them again until we use up all the stuff. We do this, get them all ready. My ruler is clean, and it's a 1-inch ruler, so our squares are going to be 1 inch. Then, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. I have a dowel peg, little bit smaller in diameter than a 1/4 inch. I've used the end of chopsticks, I've used a straw, all kinds of stuff. This works great. You gotta have the hole in the middle. They don't cook right without the hole. Put a hole in every one of them, and then pick them up, put them on parchment paper, because, oh, cleanup is so easy. And then they go in my oven. I'm going to check them at 5 minutes because sometimes my oven varies. Usually they're done in 7 minutes. The thicker you make them, the longer it's going to take to cook. Poking holes, cutting, then I'll take all these little pieces, roll them out, and make more until it's all gone. We have 55, and they took 7 minutes to cook at 350 degrees. You don't want to let them get brown because brown tastes burnt. Each one of our pieces is 0.88 milligrams of sodium, less than 1 10.5-inch plate is pretty well covered up. Store-bought cheese is just too high for low sodium people to use. The whole plate would be 340, and each piece would be 6.19. You can use these as appetizers. Just snack on them. Serve them with soup. Crumble up a couple in your green salad at less than 1 milligram a piece. We can use these guys. They're going to make us real happy. Now we can talk about where to get your low sodium cheese. I've included a link in the description of this video that takes you to the distributor and makes it easy for you to order. In their search bar, type unsalted cheese, and you can see what it looks like. You can order it there. But if you have any questions, or if you need more information, Monday through Friday from 8:30 until 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, you can call 877-383-0051. They will be able to answer your questions. If you think about it and you order, please tell them the Sodium Attacker sent you. They put a newsletter out once a month to all their customers. Ooh, and I'd like to be in that. I'd like to be able to find 1 or 2 people who really need help lowering their sodium. There are a few things that are important for you to know. There is a $75 minimum order, but it freezes so well. Don't let that stop you from having good cheddar cheese. They arrive ready to freeze in a great 10.5-ounce package. Just drop them in your freezer. When you thaw them out, the quality is not diminished. They ship any place in the continental United States and also into Canada. I am an affiliate of the distributor. I would never endorse a product that I have not thoroughly checked. And this one has definitely been thoroughly checked. Very high quality. Our family loves this cheese, and I'm certain that yours will too.